The driving snow. And now, Han Solo makes a break for the baby dills. And there he goes. He's going at it. He's going at those baby dills. Now, the police arrive on the scene. He makes a quick getaway. Along the way, Hans has a slight problem. He's getting eaten by the meat saver. Now Hans restfully recovers while sitting beside a piece of ice after a long, hard day's work. As Hans reviews his great adventure, he makes his next great plan. A plan to raid the nearest refrigerator, the one nearest you, that is.
This is Han Solo. I hope you enjoyed my adventures today. Because I was very daredevil of me. I was here at Peck, Alabama, being brave and virtuous. Please join me again when I do another exciting adventure. Goodbye, India, my one true love. I love you. Will you play with me?
Of course.
Farewell, my love. And farewell, my fans. Till we meet again, hopefully not in the hospital. Adios. Amigo.